we have seen the different types of cybercrime, and then we have seen the different example of cybercrime. We have seen the, not seen, right? We have tried to understand, right? What are the potential impact? What are the potential impact on those from those cybercrime? And mostly is loss of information, impeding the business process, means stopping the business from doing their business, right? Then financial loss, data loss and financial loss, right? And they are all generic, right? Very, very general. So that's why we haven't go into the cycle yet. When we go into the cycle, we will see specifically what is the threats in the cycles. Over here is just a general idea. Okay, now we know of that, we look at how to prevent them from happening. So over here I have few diagram. Of course, you know, number one is lock, right? This one is firewall. Which one? This one is firewall, right? This one is the firewall. This one is password. Encryption, yes, correct. Correct, that's good. This one you encrypt. And script as script correct, encryption, right? You CRI CRY PTION, encryption. See, this is okay. You can also become my English teacher. Okay, this is what happened when the mind is not working well already. Alright, need to encrypt the brain, right? Over here, encryption, right? There's different type of encryption. And let me think. Encryption in general, it means you look at your WhatsApp, right? Your WhatsApp, you got the password. Password is user authentication. It's not the encryption. Encryption is a type of encryption that the encryption over here is the one where the data is inscribed. It means someone cannot open up the data. Yes. This is the encryption that we are looking at. We are converting the data into a certain code that other people, when they have access it, but they cannot see, they cannot understand what is the code. There is maybe a list of your WhatsApp, alright? WhatsApp message. Then when you send to someone, it will be encrypted into different code. Then when the person receives the message, the WhatsApp will decrypt it to become the message.
So is it because I know what they call it, a kind of queue, where you want to send information and it goes to the queue. So that's the time where the hacker can access the information. So what does the system does is when the information goes inside the queue, it encrypts into a code. So even the hacker can reach that information, it becomes a code.
Yes.
So he can't read it much of the code.
Yes,
so
he cannot reach.
On the other hand, it will
convert back to the actual information. Yes. In that sense. However, there's more specific. There's more specific point over here. You want to study, you can go into the internet. There's what they call the public and private key. on the encryption, public and private key. Then private key you hold where the private key is given to anyone, all right? And then there's also hashing. It's another method of encryption where you change it into a different types of code depending on which level of encryption it is. I didn't want to emphasize so much on the technical term because I will not touch you in the exam, and we are not taking computer engineering subject. Yeah, code word, yes, something like a code word. So you try to change the data into something else, and then send it to someone so that, like what your friends say, they take it, then they cannot understand it. But there are different types of encryption, right? Yeah, that's the thing that I want to point over here. So this will prevent what? The hacker from getting the information. All right. Then you got this. This is the fire. This is the firewall, right? Firewall in the computer. It prevents the virus, prevent the malware. Nowadays, I think Windows 11, Windows 10 above, right? Windows 10 above, you don't need to have antivirus already, right? Because the system itself the Windows itself is very strong. If you enable the integrity control inside, it will be good enough to prevent virus. But I think you're all much more educated not to download the virus already, right? You are more aware that certain website you go into, I think now it's more advanced already. Yes. More advanced in terms when you go into certain website, right? They will tell you that these are websites that not safe, right? Not safe. Then you will not access unless you are the person that living in the age. Living in the age means you're the person that YOLO type, you know. You just go and then want to hit the wall one. So you just go and access. Otherwise you will not do it, right? So nowadays system is more secure. But still people get scammed, right? Still people got hacked. Very interesting. Have you ever been hacked before, or have you ever received virus before in your computer? Got Still receive. Last time I received, but now after Windows 11 onwards, right? Very less likely, you know. Because one of the main reason is I did not install any weird software already. Last time when maybe your age, right? I explore the weird software a lot. Not the kind of weird software, no, the software that maybe to change the theme, you know, this kind of software to I don't know, interesting things, right? Interesting things. But nowadays I don't explore them anymore. Over here, another way to prevent is by, this one is new lah. This one is updating, right? Updating the computer. Because now, if you update Windows 11, right, there will be also security patch, right? Is it anyone of you, I think you all use Windows 10 and 11, right? Windows 10 and 11, each time when you update, there's a security patch, right? Security update. So, to me, I think it's very good already. So one of the way to prevent someone from hacking you or sending virus or prevent potential threats, update your computer. Unless you have a pirated version. So pirated version, then I don't know, is it pirated version? Still have pirated version. But you buy original one, is it? You buy the computer come together with the Windows. Yes. No. Long time already. But I remember last time they give a free upgrade, right? They asked to upgrade to 10, 7, right? When Windows 7. You all used Windows 7 before? Your generation, Windows 7, right? Got Oh no, you didn't use Windows 7. I think you didn't use Windows XP. You know Windows XP. XP, then only Windows 7, right? Before Windows XP is Windows ME, you know. I think I'm old enough. I'm old enough. You look at me also like. So those days, right? The Windows. What I'm trying to say is that those days the Windows are not secure. They don't have really good security. But nowadays, Windows 10 and 11 onwards, you can just update, and then they will have security patch already. And of course, over here is another way to prevent is Pokemon. What is this one? Become a master ball already, is it? Is to prevent the access. All right. I was trying to generate, but I generated out this one. I don't know why. So yeah, that's it. Pretty much I complete today's lecture. Over here is a small, simple case. Don't worry, you will not get this kind of case in the final exam. I'm just putting it over there for us to discuss. In the exam, you will not find this kind of case, alright? You will find the case example related to the AIS, alright? I think I will just leave you all like this over here with the answer, because I guess some of your friends need to go already, right? So yeah, I want to finish the class earlier this time. Otherwise you come to me and say we always run over the time. Yes? No. I mean, this one is in final, but you're not finished this kind of questions. This chapter and the next chapter, right, will merge with the another two chapter. It is like a general only. This two chapter is just a general chapter. That is chapter 5, chapter 6 is general chapter. Yeah? For test. Threats and control. This chapter we focus mainly on threats and preventive control on the computer threats. Next chapter we'll look at general. What are the internal controls? General on what are internal controls that you can place on the next chapter. But these two chapters is general. You see, we didn't specify into the cycle. This one, you want to read this case? Don't worry, this chapter 5 and 6. Chapter 5 and 6 will not test directly. They will become a general chapter that you need to know before entering into the following chapter, which is talk about the processes. Yes, you will not have this kind of questions. I just put up over here. If you have time, we can discuss. Alright, any questions? If no questions, then yeah. Yes, I will post this one up. No, I'll post it to the Google Drive. Yeah, Google Drive. Check the Google Drive. I will upload. So the Google Drive have the chapter 1 to 4 already, right? For the study text. So I'll upload the following part 3, the study text, together with slides. Chapter 3 and 4, the slides is very blank, right? It's just the cycle. So I don't think it's useful for me to post that one anyway. If you refer back to the study text, it's more detailed. It's more detailed and it's sufficient. Yes.